Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Tangle Creek Falls, a beautiful spot along the Icefields Parkway in Jasper National Park, Alberta. This waterfall is easy to see right from the road and is one of the most photographed falls in the park. The water flows down in several small steps, creating a lovely and peaceful scene. Tangle Creek starts high up in the mountains and flows down through the forest before reaching this point, where it tumbles over the rocks and continues on its way to join the Sinapa River. This area is part of the Canadian Rockies, which formed over millions of years from tectonic activity and glaciers. Jasper National Park, where we are now, is the largest national park in the Canadian Rockies and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Tangle Creek Falls is located about 7 kilometers north of the Columbia Icefield, a major attraction in the park. Many visitors stop here for a break, to stretch their legs, and take pictures. If you're careful, you can even climb a short way up the rocks beside the falls for a closer look, but be sure to wear good shoes as it can be slippery. The water is glacier fed, which means it stays very cold even in summer. In winter, the falls freeze and turn into a wall of ice, which ice climbers sometimes use for practice. No matter what season you visit, Tangle Creek Falls is a refreshing stop and a reminder of the natural beauty all around us in Jasper National Park. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Tangle Creek Falls. Thanks for watching.